Hi Subhaji, how are you? Now we have to start a new session. Now we are starting a new session AI. Okay, AI part 1. ओके AI आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं अप्रोचेस टू AI. यस यस सर. So come to the syllabus. What is syllabus of AI? Artificial intelligence. What is role of artificial intelligence unit in our NET exam? Now we have to discuss this. Okay. Artificial intelligence is a single unit, single subject unit. Welcome Subhaji. Welcome. Welcome Manoranjan sir. So it is a single subject unit. Why I am telling you single subject units? Because there are 10 units in our computer science and each unit of equal weightage, approximately equal weightage, and all 10 units bring 10 questions. Okay, 10 questions for computer science. Okay, means 10 into 10, 100 questions are there. 100 questions are there. So the role of AI is 10% of paper 2. Okay, and from one unit or one subject we can get at least 16 marks, means 8 questions. If we are able to solve correctly 8 questions, then 16 marks will be in our hand. Okay, so it is very very easy and important unit. And as Manoranjan sir have suggested yesterday to start AI, that's why I am starting AI. And yesterday Anita ma'am was also there. So it is also important for all, and if anyone is live, then I will listen to him or her. Okay, so now come to the artificial intelligence unit. What is syllabus? This is the syllabus. Okay, syllabus, there are approx 7-8 chapters. Approaches to AI. What is approaches to AI? AI, what is AI? AI क्या है? Artificial intelligence. Intelligence is in human brain or living things like chimpanzee and monkey and dogs. They all have intelligence, but human intelligence is superior, and human intelligence is very much superior, and it is making the artificial intelligence. Okay, it is making the robots intelligence, and so many devices, there are so many devices. Okay, those all are made artificially intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? It is very popular nowadays. This unit is very popular nowadays and very interesting also. If little kids will listen these lectures, then they will also get interest in this unit. So it is very interesting, and we will do it in 10 to 15 days, and I will clear all the concept before, and with simultaneously I will solve previous year questions also, and we will be flexible according to our need. We will make changes, and you have to be continue in classes. Now this is approaches to AI. So if we are making the devices intelligence, artificially intelligence, then what are the ways? What are the ways in which we will make them intelligent, artificially intelligent? Okay, this is approaches to AI. There are so many approaches. Okay, then knowledge representation. What is knowledge representation? As we are doing the representation, just like we are writing here, we are writing artificial. It is representation of a word, and it represent a particular meaning. Artificial intelligence, we can understand something specific from this word, these spellings. So knowledge representation is also a way of representation, how we are writing, how we are representing the knowledge. Means, as we know that ka kha ga gha, okay, ka kha ga gha, these are Hindi Varnmala. Okay, then alif, be, pe, te, se. Okay, alif, be, pe, te, se, te, there is a te. Okay, se. These are Urdu. Then Sanskrit, then Gujarati, ka kha ga gha, different. Okay, so we can see that there are so many ways to represent our knowledge. So how we will represent our knowledge? This is only about the representation, how we are representing, and why representation is important. Representation is important because how we will communicate. How can we will communicate to our system, our device, our programmers, our so many people, so many devices are connected to each other. Okay, so knowledge representation, there are some ways to represent it in a very wonderful way and represent it in a meaningful way and also a precise way. We will represent all the things in a precise way. Okay, this is the main concept behind this chapter. And planning, what are planning? There are so many plannings to make the devices artificially intelligent. Then natural language processing, NLP, it is also a topic of discussion and topic of research. There are so many researchers who are researching on natural language processing. We will discuss it in very detail. And then multi-agent system. Who are agents? Agents are the robots and the system which we make artificially intelligent. Agents who are doing the work. Okay, then fuzzy sets. What is fuzzy? We are learning our rational numbers. Okay, rational numbers, what are real numbers, what are prime numbers, so many numbers are there, and in between them we can categorize it in a particular area. We can identify the number. Which number is this? Is it prime? It is natural? It is whole? Is it different? Okay, rational number. We can. So here is fuzzy set, something which is not going to be uh, specifically declared. Fuzzy means we cannot declare this. Okay, if there is any doubt, please interrupt me and ask me question. If you have any doubt, please. Okay, so what is fuzzy? Fuzzy means which is not to be declared at the point, means it is in between, some, little, more. This type of words are used for fuzzy. Okay, so we will also discuss it in detail, and it may possible there may be one or two questions from each chapters. For a single question we have to read the whole chapter, but it is not difficult. And I am also telling you that if we will control, we will be able to make command on at least 6 to 7 units in paper 2. Paper 1 we will never leave a single unit, but in paper 2 the scene is different. And if in paper 2 if we have command on at least 7 units, then this is enough, and we can definitely achieve our goal. Now come to next topic. In between the lectures I am feeling something, I am thinking something, something come to my mind, and that's why I am discussing with you all. If you are getting disturbed from this, then you can also interrupt me. What you don't like in between the lectures, and what in between the lectures disturbing you to learn properly, so you can tell me without any hesitation. Okay, so genetic algorithm. What is genetic algorithm? As you can see, there are so many movies, Thor and blah blah blah. There are so many movies. I am not interested too much, but kids are interested. Then there is, you can see that they are doing something for a good generation, good gene, best gene, and they are how I can explain, I will explain in detail. Means genetic algorithm is the science in which we are producing the best of their parents. Okay, you can see that in our daily life, in our families, we are telling that this kid is very much intelligent than their parents, and kids are very much smarter than their parents. Okay, these are genuine gossip. So in genetic algorithm, what we are doing, that we are trying to evolve, we are trying to produce the best one. Okay, and for that we are selecting the healthiest and the bestest parents for the reproduction. Okay, this is in the form of this is not biological genetics. Okay, this is in other form. You can see in bio, in zoology, there is genetic, but it is in different form, and it is very interesting. Okay, so it is a knowledgeful thing. Artificial intelligence is really very interesting, because nowadays it is very much required, and it is very much popular and needed. That's why this unit is very much interesting. You all can get lectures. Okay. Now artificial neural network. Now come to the neural network. Neural, what is brain? Brain. In brain there are neurons. Okay, you can see. Neurons are there in brain. So after producing a healthiest and bestest thing from genetic algorithm, there is a number for neural network, means the brain of the devices, brain of the things make very much powerful. Okay, and you can see it is artificial neural network. How can we make the neurons stronger, powerful? This is the science behind this chapter. Okay, now is it clear? Anyone is there? I am not able to see your chats. Please reply me if anyone is there. Hello. Is there any doubt? Are you able to understand? So come to the next topic. Okay, this is the now see the syllabus in detail. Approaches to AI. As earlier I have told you, Turing test means approaches to AI. Then what are the approaches? Turing test. There is a Turing test. Rational agent approaches. And state space representation of problems. Heuristic search technique, game playing, min max search, alpha beta cutoff procedure. Okay, knowledge representation, logic, semantic network, frames, rules, script. It is very important. Script. There are. Okay, sir. Yes. Welcome, Lokeshwar ji. Welcome. Yes. Hello. Okay. Thank you. So this is the detailed syllabus. Knowledge representation, logic, semantic network, frame, rule, scripts, conceptual dependency, ontologies, expert system, handling uncertainty in knowledge. Okay, now planning, components of planning system, linear and non-linear planning, goal stack planning, hierarchical planning, strips, partial order planning. These are important topics. Strips, there are so many questions from strips. Natural language processing, grammar and languages, parsing techniques, semantic analysis and pragmatics. Okay, multi-agent system, agents and objects, agents and expert systems, generic structure of multi-agent system, semantic web, agent communication, knowledge sharing using ontologies, agent development tools. I am explaining you the syllabus because you will be eager to know what an interesting syllabus is this. Okay, that's why I am telling the syllabus also. Notion of fuzziness fuzzy sets, membership function, fuzzification and defuzzification, operations on fuzzy set, fuzzy functions, linguistic variables, fuzzy relations, fuzzy rules, fuzzy inference, fuzzy control system and fuzzy rule based systems. Okay, now genetic algorithm, encoding, strategy, genetic operators, fitness function, GA cycle, problem solving using GA. Now come to the last unit, artificial neural networks, supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement learning, single perceptrons, multi-layer perceptron, self-organization map, a Hopfield network. This is all about the unit, and from this unit we will get 10 questions in our exams, and we will prepare ourselves for this all 10 questions. Okay, come to next slide. What is artificial intelligence? What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a branch of science. It is a science, computer science. This is a branch of science which deals in development of modern machines. Now there are so many machines. Okay, Alexa is there and so many devices are there, smart watches are there and so many things are there. Okay, modern machines are there which can find solutions to complex problems in human like fashion. As we can see that if we will talk to Alexa, if we will talk to our Google in phones, we will talk to Google, they are replying in human like manner, human like fashion. Okay, if you are telling Google. Okay, so this is the study of development of modern machine which can find solution to complex problems in human like fashion. अब हम लोगों ने कभी ऐसा सोचा होगा, जब हम छोटे थे तो उस समय वो रिसीवर वाला फ़ोन होता था, उसके पहले भी वो घुमाने वाला, वो तो मैंने भी यूज़ नहीं किया है, लेकिन वो जो रिसीवर वाला फ़ोन होता था उसमें क्या था कि हाँ नंबर डायल किया हमने और कॉलर आईडी भी बाद में आने लगा, नहीं तो ये भी नहीं पता चलता था कि कौन कॉल कर रहा है कौन नहीं. उसके बाद मोबाइल फ़ोन्स आए, कैसे इवोल्यूशन, हाउ इवोल्यूशन टेक प्लेस, and then after we get the single black and white mobiles, and after that different mobiles are there, and after that smart phone are there and Android phones are there, Apple phones are there. There is a huge change. Last 20 to 25 years, this is a huge change. So development of modern machines which can find solution to complex problems in human like fashion. मैं आप लोगों को बता रही हूँ, जब मैं नवोदय विद्यालय में थी और मैं मतलब रोती थी मम्मी पापा को याद करके, उस समय हमारे पास एकमात्र साधन था लेटर लिखने का, और एक लेटर लिखते थे और कोई घर के आसपास का, जैसे कि मतलब कोई भी वैसा आया तो उसके हाथ में जल्दी से जाके पकड़ा देंगे, चाचा जी चाहिए ले जाइएगा, मेरे पापा को दे दीजिएगा, मेरी मम्मी को, मतलब ऐसा सीन होता था. और उस समय मैं अपनी बात बता रही हूँ, मैं कल्पना करती थी कि काश कुछ ऐसा होता जिससे कि ना मैं अपने दिल की बात अपनी मम्मी से बोल पाती, अपने पापा से, अपनी दीदी से, अपने भाइयों से बोल पाती. ये मैं उस समय सोचती थी. और अभी का समय देखिए, अभी हम वीडियो कॉल कर सकते हैं, हम चैट, मतलब ये कितना बड़ा चेंज है ना. तो दिस इज सॉल्यूशन टू अ कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम्स. That time it was a very complex and just like impossible, but nowadays it is possible, it is very simple, it is very common to all. isn't it? Okay, sir, we will think about this. About the WhatsApp group, we will discuss. Actually, okay, I will try. Okay, we will think about it. WhatsApp group. Okay, sir. So this is the difference. Development of modern machines which can find solution to complex problems in human-like fashion. Now AI is, this is another definition. AI is the involvement of human intelligence, characteristics and algorithm in a computer. AI क्या है? AI में हमने अपना इंटेलिजेंस डाल दिया. Human intelligence in so many forms. There are so many forms in which we are inbuilding our intelligence in the artificial intelligence. And characteristics. What are the characteristics? Voice. We have voice, and we have inbuilt the voice in the devices. The devices can talk with us. And algorithm, how we are making so many things, how we are doing things. In COVID era, there are so many robots which are serving the COVID patients. Before 2 years we have seen that, and we listen about that. So the machine can behave like a human. So please see the emphasis on the AI, involvement of human intelligence. Please note down these 4-5 lines. Please note down in your notebook. Intelligence, characteristics and algorithms. Intelligence is our mind. Characteristics means speaking and thinking, and there are so many characteristics. And algorithm, steps, how we are able to doing things so the machine can behave like human. This is about the artificial intelligence. And come to the artificial intelligence in how many ways. Okay, so there is a main emphasis on thinking and acting. Think and act. So think like human and think rationally. Rational, what is meaning of rational? These words are not ordinary words. These words are very important, and this is a specific word which will come in exam also. Rational. Okay, human like. Think, act, cognitive science approach, law of thought approach, Turing test approach, rational agent approach. These are the approaches of AI. Okay, sir? These are the approaches of AI. But we have to study two approaches in our syllabus, NET syllabus: Turing test approach and rational agent approach. Okay? Cognitive science approach is thinking, about thinking, think human like and think rationally, law of thought approaches. This is only for name, but in our syllabus these 2 points are important. Okay, now I will clear this all. Okay, now this is important for us. These 2 topics are important for us. Okay, so please keep in your mind that think like human, think rationally, act like human and act rationally. This is the main point. And I will explain you how think like human, how think rationally, how act like human, how act rationally. I will also explain these all things. Is it clear? Till now it is clear? Yes, okay sir. Okay. Now come to the, in the starting I am explaining in detail. If you will be able to catch, then we will go fast. Now come to Turing test. What is Turing test? The inability to distinguish computer responses from human responses is called Turing test. What is Turing test? To make a human fool. ठीक है? Turing test क्या है? किसी, there is a Turing test in which a computer is there and a human is there in both the rooms, okay, and interrogator is here. Interrogator is asking question to player 1 and player 2 both, okay, and there are so many questions, written questions are used to determine, okay, there are so many questions and they are asking continuously to the computer, player A and player B, and then interrogator player C try to know the, according to answer they try to understand that which answer is of computer and which is from human, okay. देर में भी देखिए क्या होता है ट्यूरिंग टेस्ट में, क्या है, इंटरोगेटर जो है वो दो अलग अलग कमरे में है, एक कंप्यूटर है एक कमरे में कोई ह्यूमन बीइंग है, और दोनों के पास, मतलब ये तो ऑलरेडी कंप्यूटर है और ये भी एक लैपटॉप से अपने सिस्टम से आंसर कर रहा है, और ये दोनों से वो सेम क्वेश्चन पूछता है, और क्वेश्चन पे क्वेश्चन ये सी इंटेरोगेटर जो है वो क्वेश्चन करता जाता है, देयर इज अ सीरीज ऑफ क्वेश्चन, एंड आफ्टर दैट ही और सी हैव टू डिसाइड दैट which question is which answer is from computer and which answer is from human, and if computer is able to answer like human and the interrogator get confused and not able to decide the answer is from computer or human, this is called Turing test and it is given by Alan Turing, ओके एलन ट्यूरिंग के नाम पे इसका नाम है ट्यूरिंग टेस्ट। तो ये है हमारा ट्यूरिंग टेस्ट, ओके। तो इसमें बस यही है, आप इसको समझ लीजिए अच्छे से कि एक कंप्यूटर है और एक प्लेयर है, कोई ह्यूमन बीइंग है, और दोनों से क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है और इनको डिसाइड करना है, सी मेंबर जो है इनको डिसाइड करना है कि कौन सा आंसर कंप्यूटर ने दिया और कौन सा आंसर ह्यूमन ने दिया, और ये अगर गलत होते हैं, ये अगर रॉन्ग हो जाते हैं, मीन्स कि अगर कंप्यूटर को ह्यूमन और ह्यूमन को कंप्यूटर समझ लेते हैं तो ये ट्यूरिंग टेस्ट पास है, और अगर ये सही पहचानते हैं तो ट्यूरिंग टेस्ट फेल है। दिस इज द मेन कंडीशन अबाउट ट्यूरिंग टेस्ट। Now this is for today, okay, 10:17 is time here. So from tomorrow we will discuss in detail the chapters, okay. I will explain this complete chapter tomorrow, approaches to AI. This complete chapter I will prepare tomorrow, mean max, alpha beta, cutoff, these all topics. First unit, complete first unit will be tomorrow with us, okay. Is it clear? For today it is enough, and because there are so many things, please go and revise and again see the lesson, and we will discuss it tomorrow. And tomorrow I will bring some previous year question also. Okay, concept with question. We will make this type. Okay, for today it is enough because it was introductory lecture and there are syllabus discussion. So tomorrow I will discuss complete first chapter and I will try to bring so many questions from the unit first chapter from the chapter. So again, yes sir, rational agent approaches is in detail we will discuss rational agent approaches. Tomorrow I will discuss complete. हेलो अनीता जी, गुड इवनिंग. गुड इवनिंग. आप थोड़ा लेट आई हैं शायद, तो आप सारे लेक्चर्स को देख लीजिएगा. ये 2-3 घंटे में अभी मैं प्लेलिस्ट में डाल दूंगी ना, तो आप प्लेलिस्ट से डायरेक्ट देख लीजिएगा. ओके. और अगर आप लोगों को मेरा नंबर चाहिए तो मैं यहाँ नंबर दे देती हूँ. You can directly contact me. Okay, 8892166187. मनोरंजन सर, आप भी ये नंबर ले सकते हैं और इस पे मुझे पिंग कीजिए, तो फिर मैं एक ग्रुप बनाती हूँ. ग्रुप बनाते हैं और हम लोग इसको एकदम बहुत सीरियसली हम इसको करेंगे. ठीक है, विदाउट एनी डिले, विदाउट एनी वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम. हम लोग इसको, एक मुहिम है हमारा, इसको इस बार गोल अचीव करना है और मेहनत करना है. और इस लेक्चर को लाइक कर दीजिए और शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. जहाँ जहाँ भी सोशल मीडिया पे आप लोग हैं वहाँ शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब तो डेफिनेटली कर लीजिए. और यस सर, आज के लिए मैंने इतना इसलिए रखा ना, क्योंकि हम लोगों को सिलेबस डिस्कशन करने में थोड़ा समय लगने वाला था. ओके, कल हम लोग इसको डिटेल में करेंगे विथ क्वेश्चंस, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. ओके सुभा जी, सी यू टुमारो, गुड नाइट. कल फिर हम 9 बजे मिलेंगे. आधे घंटे का पेपर 1 और 1 घंटे का पेपर 2. 1.5 hour we will discuss daily. Okay, so dream don't work unless you do, and we have to do, we will do, we must have to do, so we will do. Okay sir, thank you dear friends, thank you very much. और पढ़ते रहिए और बढ़ते रहिए. Now I am going to delete all things. Okay, अगर आप लोग नंबर ले लिए हैं तो ओके, मुझे एक लाइक मीन्स कि यस कीजिए. यस का रिप्लाई दीजिए अगर नंबर मिल गया आप लोगों को तो. अनीता जी, मनोरंजन सर, सुभा जी के पास तो है मेरा नंबर. लोकेश सर, ओके ओके, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. तो हम लोग मिलते हैं कल, और कल आधे घंटे का पेपर 1 और 1 घंटे का पेपर 2 पूरा फुल फ्लेज्ड होने वाला है. ओके सर, थैंक यू. May I end this session? Any doubt is there? Is there any doubt? It is not possible, sir. In 3 days, how can it possible? At least 7-8 days. It will take 7 to 8 days if I will give my complete effort. Okay, okay, okay. Parallelly, we will take within 2 weeks AI will be complete. And it also depend on you, how you are responding. Okay, sir, I will try my best. It's my pleasure that you are ready, you all are ready, and I will definitely try to complete it within 5 days. Okay, because syllabus is little bit we cannot skip the topics. Okay, and it may possible I will only complete the important topics. It is also possible. Okay.